Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Slingshot Plays. And today we're going to be doing a rebuild on MLB The Show 16. Here we go. We're going to be playing as the Phillies. Hardest team to rebuild, just saying. So let's see how we could do with this challenge. Alright, everything looks good. Yep, everything looks good. So let's advance. Let's see our team for now. Alright, let's go to handbook. Skip all that. Alright, let's see our team. Alright, just saying, none of these starters are probably going to be on as my starting lineup, because no one is that good to be on this team. Because there's a whole bunch of contracts are way too good. So let's see. When I find a good trade, I'll be right back. Right then. Alright, I found the best trade. LA wants to give their 93 Kenley Jason. So we got a nice closer now. So let's get rid of our old closer and a starting pitcher right here. I'll keep this one on. Alright, let's see what we get. See if we can get a nice starter. Because sometimes you can find like really good players out of these contracts. Alright. Like right here, there's a nice relief. Like, that's probably the best one. Ooh. I want a better rating though. Like, ooh my god. Like, there's really good players out of this. The Cubs always give us bad offers. Like, I'm a Cubs fan and they always give me bad offers because their team is too good to trade. But next year would be the year to trade with them. The best one is probably to do is this. There, now we got a good relief. Like, let's see our rotation real quick. Alright. We don't have a really good rotation, but we're not gonna have a really good rotation, starting rotation probably, because of that. So let's see what we could do. Maybe let's find a potential down here for maybe a really good player. Alright, found a potential with a pretty good player. With probably our, I don't know, our catcher. Well, no, I could get a better center fielder probably. Better. What position do I need best? New shortstop. Shortstop is one of the most important players on the field. So, a new shortstop or a new starting pitcher. That's what we need. So if we don't find a good shortstop, we'll have to get another trade for a new shortstop. And that'll probably be it for the season. So, decent center fielder. Dang, that's actually not that bad. Trying to look. Oh dang, that's an amazing catcher. But frick. Jason Hamill, that's decent. There's not that many good offers though. This is probably the best one. Yeah, that's probably the best one I could. Ooh. New first baseman though, that's the problem. I'm taking this one. That's probably the best one. Let's go back down. See if we find any more A potentials. Yep. Alright, let's head back up. let's try to get our center fielder off. Like, he's getting way too much money for this team. He's losing a lot of our cap space, so let's get him for a decent player, pretty good player. Like 2 good players that equal his contract. Oh, frick. Oh, God. I'll head back to that one. Oh, my God. These are really good. Like, really good. There's a clothing, really good closing. Oh, frick. Jorge. Tony Watson. Dang, these are really good. But I need a new center fielder. That's a problem. Ah, gotta crack my neck. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this season. How much money do we have left? Like, oh, dang, I thought his salary was way higher. Like, we have so much money. We really do. Like, we get so many players in the off season. Alright, we got 2 good starters and a decent down there. Is this preseason? Yeah, it's preseason. Alright, skip preseason. Alright, see you guys at the start of the regular season. Alright, start of the regular season. Here we go. Alright, time to simulate to the end of the season and see you guys at the end. Alright, we made it to the end of the season going 78 and 84. Decent. The Cubs have defeated the Indians 2016 World Series. Alright, let's view who retired. Alright, we had 2 players. David Ortiz retired. Alright, let's get out of this. Dang. Alright. So our contracts, gotta offer him one. Alright, meet you when all the contracts have been re-signed. Alright, got all those contracts done. Alright, he accepted. Alright, got all these players back. Alright, let's see. Alright. Nope. Alright, gotta simulate. Chapman, dang. Alright, time to put some up. Alright, give him a player, 4-year, whatever, highest offer. Wait, no, we aren't. Alright, withdraw. Alright, we gotta make this offer high for this closer. 9-year. Wait, no, 8 years. Closer. Alright, we need to get some better starters, so there isn't very many good starters. So just gotta offer a few of them. Alright, let's see. First, relief is awful. Alright, we'll just offer this guy right here for another contract. Who really cares? Just give him one. There's only, ooh, I kinda want this. Kinda want him. Alright, I want Mark. So, 8-year. we're only doing this for 3 years, so don't worry about any of that. Alright, here's all the offers that we made. All the players that signed. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, let's sim. No longer can afford. How can I not afford any of them? What? How much money do I have? It doesn't even show how much money. Alright. Available. I have enough. Just all the money I could offer though. That's all I could offer. But I don't want to spend it on him. Alright. I kind of want another outfielder, but I kind of want another good infielder. Alright. Let's go for Ramirez. No. I'll have to go for the right fielder. Player. I could get a good amount of money. Alright, let's see what happens. I just feel confused, like, how this works. Like, it's kind of dumb how this works in this game. Like, do I have to give him, like, a certain contract? Like, I have 22 mil. Like, what the heck? I kind of have enough money. I think I have enough. My budget's right at the right amount. Payroll is good. I just have to give this guy a pretty good contract. 2-year player. It's gonna work anytime soon. I don't even care about the off season. Like, what the heck? It's so weird how this thing works. It really is. I don't think it just doesn't work. Like, gosh. Alright. See you guys in the regular season when I'll make some good trades. Alright, I'm gonna keep the same lineup because the game isn't working very right now, it seems like. And I'm kind of pretty mad about it, so see you guys at the end of the season. Alright, we went 68 and 83, I think. It was a downfall for the season, but let's see if it's gonna work now. Max contract. Player. Let's see if it works. Probably not. Because this game is dumb sometimes. Most of the time it is. And I don't understand why. I don't know really how it works. It's pretty dumb. Like 12 million a year for Dexter Fowler. See what happens. 14, 15.4, and 30. Should be able. Should be able. So you can't afford, can't afford, can't afford, can't afford. It's just dumb. Doesn't even work. It's stupid. Like, I'll give him this. I have available. I have enough money. I'll just give him a contract. That's it. Can't afford. It's so dumb. It's freaking dumb. All heck. God. I'm not even gonna play anymore. I'm done. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.